This is fake and this is fake. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create fake screenshot messages using a website known as pranksheet.com. So without much talking, let's get into the video. The first thing you have to do is open your browser and go to the address bar, type pranksheet.com. Now I'm going to leave a link in the description below. On our website here, you can create fake screenshots for SMS, email calls, social media, name generator, and you can also choose the language. So what we are simply going to do today is create an iMessage screenshot as well as an Instagram screenshot like we earlier saw. Firstly, the iMessage screenshot. When we come to SMS, we have these three options. We're simply going to click on SMS iPhone. SMS iPhone is for green bubbles, while SMS iMessage is for blue bubbles. So I'm going with a friend who uses an Android phone, so I'm just going to click on SMS iPhone. Now on this screen, it's pretty easy to understand. We have our live view here as well as our customization this way. So you can choose your time. Let's say I'm going to choose 8 o'clock in the morning, and battery percentage, let's say at the time I was texting with the person, it was at 27%. Operator, allow it at 4G. Now for the profile photo of the person I'm chatting with, I'll simply click on select image and locate the image I want to use. I already have these images on my desktop in this fake screenshots folder, and I'm going to use the profile image of my good friend Ishao. Simply going to type his name down here, direct as message with. Now for dates and time, I'm going to type Monday 13th May, and the time of receipt, it was, my current time is 8 o'clock in the morning. Let me just change it to 8 o'clock in the evening and 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm cool with that. So the message the person sent included a screenshot, right? So I'm simply just going to click on select, and here is the screenshot. I've already made this screenshot, but you can still use this same website under social media. Then you choose YouTube and customize it. We are not going to dive into that for now. For the message, he said, "Congrats, bro, hitting 99k subs over 200k views. This is a milestone." And you simply click on add message. Now if you come to our preview this way, you're going to see our profile photo, the name of the recipient, the message sent, and if you want to send a message as the sender, you simply click on person 2 here, and I'm simply going to say thanks, Windows period, to launch emojis, and just search for thanks, and this should do. Then click on add message. Now when you're done with your customization, all you have to do is click on download image, and the screenshot will be downloaded to your device. Now this is used for educational purposes, and I strictly recommend you follow the guidelines. Don't use this to spam people, and don't use this to frame somebody. So we're going to click on save, and this screenshot has been saved as an image. It doesn't come with any watermark, so you're pretty fine with illustration. Now moving on to the next one, we need to create a fake screenshot of an Instagram message. So I'm simply going to click on social media, and under Instagram, I'm going to click on Instagram chat. Now what I'm trying to create here is a message from the famous Cristiano Ronaldo with over 600 million followers, the most followed on Instagram. So on our page here, we're simply just going to say time. He sent the message at 11 o'clock. Operator is 4G. And at this time, I charged my phone. I was at 80%. And the name is Cristiano. Now we have our blue check. You can turn it off here or you turn it on again. Here we have a blue check. Now we're just going to scroll to date. I'm just going to allow this date of receipt here. And story active. Check this box to indicate whether his story is active or not. Scroll down, and other person one, you can choose his profile photo, taking this image from x.com. Click on choose profile image, and here is the image. Then I'll click on open. So if you want to send a photo, you can simply just click on choose image send. Just write your message. He said, "Hey TDK, I love your work." Just then add message. So on our preview this way, you're going to say it, "Hey TDK, I love your work." And when you come to person 2, which is the sender, you can simply just say, thanks for reaching out to me. I am a big fan, even though I don't watch a lot of football. Then I'll just select seen just now, then add message. So here's the screenshot. All you have to do again is just to simply click on download image and wait for it to download. Now I included a screenshot in the first one I was creating, which was basically for the YouTube, and for a bonus, we're simply just going to create that some few easy steps. So click on social media again. Under YouTube, you're going to click on YouTube video post. Now this is just new as it is indicated. Now for our time here, for the phone time, it's okay. Battery, I'm not going to mess up anything. Always make sure you get the thumbnails of the videos you want to include. There are going to be at least 2 thumbnails in this screenshot, so you just click on choose image, and I already have this thumbnail ready and open. So our video description or post publication title, we can just put HP Elite Book 840 G5 review. Now that is the video, and you can give it a progress, let's say 75, and view counts. If you want to go crazy, you can go up to 1 billion views. Nobody's going to hurt you, but I'm just going to take 200k. And publication dates, let's say it was 1 week, let's say 5 days ago, and number of likes, just going to leave this at 2k. And you can choose a profile photo for the YouTube channel. So I'm just going to click on choose image, and any of these images can be chosen. I'll stick with my buddy's profile photo here. Give it a channel name. My channel name is TDK Proscribe, and number of subscribers, I'm currently at 16 subscribers, but I'm just going to put 16 and a K. So we have our number of comments. Comments are not always many, so I'm going to put 207 comments. Now for the comments, you can choose a profile photo for the comments, but I'm not going to choose any. And if you want to write any comments, now for photo, this other thumbnail down here, you can choose an image, and I'm going to choose the second thumbnail of my video again. And for the publication title, I'm going to choose how to install and use MS Power Toys in 2024. And for the duration, let's say 1 minute and 44 seconds, and the name of the channel is still me, TDK Proscribe. And let's look at our preview here. Everything seems all right. And when you're done, you simply click on download. Now, that is how you can create fake screenshots to be used for illustration or to simply prank your friends. And I would advise you not to use this as a criminal tool. Always make sure you read the guidelines and follow it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, endeavor to like and leave a comment telling me what you want me to create more. Also subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Until next time, goodbye. TDK signing off. Peace.